In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy shamrock. Okay, so you're going to need a number 4 worsted weight yarn in green. This color is called Jelly Bean. You're going to need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, yarn scissors, and a yarn needle. Okay, to start this pattern, we're going to make a magic circle. Okay, after the magic circle, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now this chain 3 will count as our first stitch. Now what we're going to do is place 11 double crochets into the ring, and that will make a total of 12 double crochets counting this chain. So for our first double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through the circle. There will be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So far that will give us 2 double crochets. We need a total of 12. So let's go ahead and put 10 more double crochets into this circle. So that will make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now go ahead and pull the circle closed. And we're going to place a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. So locate your chain 3, locate the very top, insert your hook into that top, yarn over, pull through that top of the chain 3, and the loop on your hook. So that finishes round 1. For round 2, we're going to slip stitch into the first 3 stitches. So locate those next 3 stitches, insert your hook into that first one, yarn over, pull through the stitch and the loop on your hook. Do that again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and the loop on your hook. Do that one more time. Now we're going to place 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. There will be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now place 1 more half double crochet into that stitch. So now we're going to place 2 triple crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over the hook twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. There will be 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now do that one more time into the same stitch. Okay, now we're going to place a half double crochet into the same stitch that we just placed the 2 triples. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops for the half double. Now we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and the loop on your hook. And now we're going to repeat this pattern but backwards. So into the next stitch, we're going to place a half double. So yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we're going to place 2 triple crochets into that same stitch. So yarn over 2 times, pull through the first 2, the second 2, and the last 2. The yarn got stuck there. There we go. Now do that one more time. Place another triple into that same stitch. So you should have a half double crochet and 2 triples into the same stitch. Place 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. 3 loops, pull through all 3 loops. Place another half into the same stitch. Now we're going to place a slip stitch into the last 3 stitches. So insert your hook into the stitch, pull through the stitch and the loop on your hook. Do that 2 more times. And here's your last slip stitch. And now we're just going to fasten off. Make sure to leave a long tail end. Pull that tail end through the loop on your hook. Pull it tightly to fasten off. So this is just a little side note. I made a mistake because I ended up weaving my tail ends in, but don't do that because we will use those tail ends to attach the shamrock together later. Okay, so this will make 1 leaf for your shamrock. If you want to make a 4-petal shamrock, go ahead and do 3 more of these. Make 3 more of these. If you want to just do a 3-petal shamrock, go ahead and only make 2 more leaves. Go ahead and restart the video and watch how to do that again to make your next leaves, and I will meet you back here on how to attach the leaves together and how to make the stem. Okay, so I just wanted to show that you can make a 4-leaf clover if you want, and what you need to do is just use these tail ends to sew all of these bottoms together. Okay, I'm just going to do a 3 shamrock. Okay, so the best way I can describe this is just to arrange the 3 leaves so that the rounded ends meet in the center to form a shamrock, and then use your tail ends from one of the leaves and a yarn needle and sew through the center of all of the 3 leaves. Make sure to sew them in several times to secure them together. And after you're finished with that, just make sure to take your yarn needle and sew in the tail ends. Okay, so for the stem, we're going to first make a slip knot. And we're going to attach the slip knot to the bottom of the shamrock. Now we're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to place a double crochet into the second chain from our hook. We're going to place another double crochet into the next chain. We're going to single crochet into the remaining 3 chains. Now go ahead and slip stitch into the base of the shamrock. I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut the tail end, leaving it long enough so that we can fasten it off. And then we're going to take our yarn needle and weave in both of those tail ends. And here's the finished shamrock. And just so you know, tomorrow I'll be releasing another video that shows you how to turn this shamrock into a lucky shamrock with a little pocket for a lucky penny. So be sure to check that out, and I will also include a link to that video in the description below. I've also created printable tags that go along with this pattern, and those tags will be available for purchase in my Etsy shop, along with the crochet patterns for both this large and small shamrock. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great day.